Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We're located in West Tennessee. How about an awesome ride here? I've ordered this over 2 years ago. Right about 2 years. 2022 Hummer EV. All electric, 1,000 horse, 4-wheel drive. I've been in a lot of vehicles, but this tops them all, I believe. Amazing performance, great looks. GM really outdid themselves on this one. This is the truck version. It's got the lighting package. You've got the off-road lights on the top. They only work on the off-road mode, and you got to push a button inside. Cool lights. These are the main running lights. They look low, but the vehicle's so high they had to put them in the bumper so it wouldn't be in people's mirrors. Feel like you get into a spaceship. Obviously, we're gonna have all our buttons, power windows, mirrors, memory seat. How about the lunar map? Even down to the floorboard. Got nice heated and cool seats, comfortable seats. The plastic is all left on. It'll be just like a new one. It's only got 52 miles. And it will stay parked until you come and pick it up. Beautiful display. This one's got the Super Cruise. I guess we'll turn it off and turn it back on. You'll see it kind of light up on the steering wheel. That's red, blue, and green. It's only on specific roads, but it's actually hands-free cruise control. It does the steering for you. It'll overtake other cars. Pretty much autonomous driving. How about this screen here? You've got your knob here you can control. I'm still learning, but I've learned a few things. There's all your driving mode. Here you can customize how you want your vehicle to handle. There's some preset. There's off-road. It'll adjust the suspension, how the vehicle reacts. Terrain, tow mode, and normal. Also, it has the crawl mode. To go into crawl mode, you push and hold this button. And cool graphic and sound effect. And now we got 4-wheel steering, and this thing will actually move sideways. And then you can see the camera. It's got 18 cameras all throughout the vehicle, underneath, on the side. Shows you everything that's around you. Obviously, we're inside the vehicle now, so there's also launch control, or WTF, Watch to Freedom, which is pretty incredible. 0 to 60 in 3 seconds. So you push this button twice. Well, probably have to have your seatbelt on. I'm not in drive either. All right, for launch control, you double tap this traction control button, and you gotta hold it for about a second. There we go. Cool graphic. Seat vibrates. And it's got a humming sound. Sounds like you're about to get launched, and you are. You push the continue button on the steering wheel. That's gonna lower the vehicle. Obviously, we're not going to do it in here because we're inside a building, but I'm trying to show you the procedure. Then you put your foot on the brake, floor it, and it sounds awesome. And obviously, I'm not going to let go now, but there it is. Hey, it was trying to. Even the seat pulsates. Pretty cool stuff. All right, let's get get out of this mode so I don't take off and tear the doors up. All right. So now we've got the navigation. It's basically a Google map. I like the fact it's got physical buttons, real buttons. Now this changes, you know, what's happening on the button, but you initiate the move with a real button. Heated steering wheel. You can lock the front and rear differential. Park assist. It's got your trailer brake controller. It's got a wireless phone charger. Even my big iPhone 13 Pro Max fits in here with a case and it charges. Got USB. Got storage. Got the 4-panel glass roof. You can actually remove them, put them in the front trunk, and have just a big open air environment. The fit and finish is pretty impressive. Feels good quality materials. Got your OnStar, HomeLink garage door opener. It's got regenerative braking. You push this paddle here and it'll slow you down, recharge the battery. Also, you can program a 1-pedal drive. We can use just the accelerator pedal to brake and accelerate. It's pretty cool once you get used to it. I'm sure I probably forgot a few things, but it's awesome. That's all you need to know. Got rear defrost, the back glass comes down to. Got rear climate control, rear vents, USB and USB-C. Those are tire pressure sensor for if you have a trailer, so you can monitor those too. Beautiful 18-inch wheel with some Goodyear Wrangler. It's amazing they get this kind of performance out of some off-road tires. This thing will grip. This is where you charge it. It's got a 212 kilowatt battery pack, the biggest battery pack on the market. It's probably why it weighs 10,000 pounds, about twice the weight of a normal F-150. It's got the optional power tonneau cover. You just push a button here, and that opens up. Very nice. And you push this button here. Comes up, and then you got this. I had it ordered with the optional kicker sound system in the back with the LED lights, so you can sync up your phone. This is not the real way to do it. It's better with 2 hands. Got your towing package. I believe the towing capacity is 7,500 pounds. Got your backup sensors. And this thing's built like a tank. If you look underneath how meaty everything is. And this is how you shut this. It's been waxed, ready to go. It's actually cleaner than new if you buy it at the dealership. Nice touches. Yeah, the graphics on the screens were designed by the Fortnite people that designed the video game. That's why it kind of looks pretty cool. Got both keys, owner's manual, original window sticker. This will be a collector's item. They only made just a few of them, so kind of one of a kind. There's the lights. They're pretty bright when you turn them on. Like I said, it's got to be in off-road mode and push the digital auxiliary button on the screen. And you push this button twice and this is what happens. How cool is that? And all the goodies are here. They got the charger, got the 240 plug-in. That's the cover for your panels for the roof. And I believe that's a complete truck cover. Very nice feel, looks good quality. You've got an outlet here for 12 volts, so you can maybe put a cooler back here, one of them electric coolers. Very nice. If you're looking for a cool, unique vehicle, I believe you found it. To see if this Hummer is still on for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. I don't believe this will last long, so if this is what you're looking for, give me a call. We can arrange for shipping also. You can call or text anytime, 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching and come and see us.